Okay, we're at this supposedly the most beautiful temple. I don't know about in Thailand, but Phuket, I think, is what they said. Our taxi cab driver said there was a funeral going on over there. But I don't think Pommel can go in because it says no tattoos. But very ornate, very symmetrical, pretty cool stuff. Oh well, let's have a look around, shall we? Lots of fireworks. They love their fireworks here. No hat? Sorry. I just got yelled at for wearing my hat. Wow. I don't know where Matt's gonna be on. What's that? Where did Pommel go? Yelled at me about the hat. What if they yelled at her about her tattoos? I guess not. Let's see. Nice view out there. Very symmetrical. That's some beaters. And they got safes right now. I wonder what's in the safe. All right, look at this. There's two. There's one right there. Really pretty awesome. Well, it took them at least 6 months to build. Wait, what's up there? We're going to the top. Did you do it? Let's go see what's up there. You know what they're saying, Mama?
Yeah.
What was he saying?
Their mom.
Huh?
Their mom.
Oh, yeah, from the mom.
Wow, that's beautiful. Whoa.
How cool is that? Alright, so there you go. I'm guessing these must be donated by people. I'm not sure. Oh, there's another level. We go up one more level. I think that's the special white one there. Dragon snake thing for the banister. I think this is the very, very top of the. In Thailand, they have the temples. They have like this really like steep. What do you know? I mean, roofs, I guess. Oh no, there are more stairs. See, I don't walk up more stairs. There you go. One more set of stairs. We'll get a shot over here and then we'll go up to the top. Can I get that in there? There you go. Let's There's quite a few temples. There's another one over there, and then the funeral is going on over there. I saw them carry the casket in there. Alright, so I'm guessing this is the ultimate Buddha for this temple. If I had to guess. Didn't read any of that. Oh, I want a donation. Pummel has all my cash. Someone put $1 in there. Should you kneel on that thing and pray? Wonder what that is. Something special. Oh. My wife has all my money. Ah, the breeze is nice. It's hot today. So there you go. I'll figure out what the name of this temple is and I'll put it in the title of the video. But pretty impressive, that's for sure. Uh-oh, gotta sneeze. What do you think, Jack?
It's pretty cool.
Sorry, Buddha. Okay.